ম্যাম আমার একটা
Hello, good evening, all of you. Hope you all are fine. I'm also fit and fine. And we know today is our presentation day. So without delay, we can start the class. And there was a story you already read out. So I request, first of all, Zarif. Okay. You just give your intro and then tell the story. And if anyone want to take a screenshot, you can take a screenshot about this story because I will not share the story when you give the presentation. Done? Vishkar, done?
Yes, ম্যাম।
Okay, so now I stop the share and all of you just think it and you give the preparation to yourself. নিজেকে নিজে presentation though. As when I ask you, we can give the presentation properly, okay? So Zarif, start.
Hello everyone, I'm Mohammad Asful Jarif. I'm reading in class 8. I'm a student of Yakoskis English, also student of South Muslim College. And I'm thanking to Tasnim Miss for giving me the chance to give a presentation. I'm starting the story. The subject of my story is the wisdom of Solomon. There was a king of the Jews all over the world. His name was Solomon. He was well known for his wisdom and magnificence. So the queen of Saba listened that, and he came to test the Solomon. So he take two bucket of flowers, and one was artificial and one was real. So he take both of them to in front of the king, and said the king to pick the real one. So the king was puzzled for a while. After that, the king saw some bees were humming at the real one. So the king got that what is the problem. Then he opened all the window and he saw that all the bees were coming at the real one. And then the king selected the real one. That's how the king was.
Solve the
That's
problem.
how the king was solved the problem. And the queen of Saba was so much what can I say, so much glamorous to say that, and he praised a lot about his wisdom.
That's all about the story. Thank you, Zarif. Thank you. I think you didn't do the last class. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, Zarif. You got these hearts from my side. Okay. So now I request Ashfaq. After Ashfaq, then Vishkor will say. Okay. Ashfaq.
The story about the wisdom of
Okay. Just
King
wait.
Solomon.
And all of you, you can do another thing. Those who give the presentation, you can write down what did you do the whole day. You can write down 1 or 2 pages. Okay. So just write down what did you do the whole day. সারাদিন কি করেছো সেটা একটু লিখবো। আচ্ছা। So now, sorry, Ashfaq say.
The story about the wisdom of King Solomon. Everyone has heard of about the King Solomon. The king of the Chiefs was famous all over the world for his magnificence, wealth, and especially for his wisdom. The Queen of Sheba heard the much about the great court and the worldwide reputation, his learning and wisdom. Attracted by such reports, he came she came to she came taste wisdom. She brought with her two blenders. One is natural and one is then
Artificial.
to take the natural one. Solomon was puzzled for a time while pondering. He saw she placed them before the king to take the natural one. Solomon was puzzled for a time. While pondering, he noticed some bees humming for the honey in a withered rose. To windows. Time the bees come in and settle on the natural flowers, and the queen's riddle solved this time. The queen of Sheba was surprised and admired the king as of great wisdom. That's all about this.
Okay, thank you. But your sound is not clear actually, Ashfaq. This is your network issue, I think. So now Vishkar. After Vishkar, I will request Ishan, okay?
Thank you, ma'am, to giving me a chance for my presentation. Once upon a time, there was a great king of Jews named Solomon. He was well known for his wealth, magnificence, and especially for his wisdom. One day, the queen of Sheba came to take a test of Solomon's wisdom. She placed two garlands to choose the natural one. The
But request don't see the copy, okay? If you have any copy in front of you, you can close the copy.
No, ma'am, কোনো কপি নেই আমার কাছে।
Okay. There is no copy.
No,
আচ্ছা,
ma'am.
okay.
Solomon's garlands. Choose the natural one. The king was puzzled for a time. Uh, the king saw some bees humming for honey. The king asked to open the window. The bees came in and settled on the natural one. The mm, the queen's needle is came in a flower. It solved the needle of queen. The queen, surprised of the
It's
king's wisdom.
wisdom.
That's all. No, thank you.
That's all about. But I think you didn't practice properly. Even the first class বরং ভালো ছিল। আজকে ভালো ছিল না। You are not prepared. Am I right, Vishkar?
ম্যাম একটু নিজের মতো করে বলতে হচ্ছে তো একটু গুলিয়ে গেছে।
আচ্ছা, সো এটা হচ্ছে, এটা কেন গুলাচ্ছি, কারণ আমরা প্র্যাকটিসটা কম হয়েছে। ইফ ইউ প্র্যাকটিস মোর দেন আই থিঙ্ক ইট উইল বেটার। আচ্ছা, তাহলে যেটা করব, প্র্যাকটিস করবো বারবার, হ্যাঁ?
Yes, ma'am.
আমি চ্যালেঞ্জ দিব, কোনো একটা টপিক নিয়ে যদি আমরা 20 বার বলতে পারি নিজের ভাষায়, তাহলে ওইটা টপিক নিয়ে আর কখনোই ভুলবো না। দিস ইজ মাই চ্যালেঞ্জ। ডু ইউ এগ্রি উইথ মি?
Yes, ma'am.
যে কোনো একটা বিষয় নিয়ে, ধরো তুমি একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ নিলে, ওটা নিয়ে যদি 20 বার তুমি নিজের ভাষায় বলো, আগে নিজে পড়ে তারপর 20 বার নিজের ভাষায় বলো, ওইটা নিয়ে তুমি কোথাও ঠেকবা না। ঠিক আছে? সো এটা মাথায় রাখবো। থ্যাংক ইউ। নাও কার নাম, হুজ নেম আই প্রোনাউন্স?
Miss Me.
আচ্ছা, আফটার ঈশান দেন আরিশা।
Okay. Hello everyone, I am Ishan and thank you Miss to give me the chance to present. There was everyone heard about the king of Jews named Solomon was well known worldwide, all over the world. Her queen, the her queen Sheba, uh, uh, much her queen heard much about her grandeur and tried to and one day decided to give a taste of Solomon. He brought uh, uh, he brought two branches of flowers, and one was natural and one was artificial.
Another one is artificial.
Yes, another one is artificial.
Hmm.
Then the king Solomon came and uh, Sheba and he was thinking about it, and uh, recently he saw some bees are humming outside. Then he
Humming. It should
asked
be humming.
humming
Yeah.
outside. Then he asked to open the window. Then the bees uh, seated on the natural flowers, and he passed the test. The queen, very shocked and wondered of this. Uh, this all about me, from me.
Okay, I think you didn't practice a lot.
No worries.
আচ্ছা, আরিশা বলবো না। But your network also bandwidth slow. Yes, I can see you, but not properly. Arisha already gone. আচ্ছা, then আচ্ছা, আরিশা। Arisha, is it okay now? Okay, Arisha, I think you just unmute yourself and you don't need to on your camera. আচ্ছা আরিশা আবার চলে গিয়েছে। হোসাইন বলবো।
Yes, I don't prepared.
Why?
Yes, because I am very sick.
Now you are sick or I was very sick? কোনটা?
Yes.
মানে I was very sick or I am very sick now? কোনটা? এখন sick নাকি আগে sick ছিলাম?
Yes, আগে
আগে sick ছিলাম, এখন ভালো আছি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ। তাহলে
yes,
এখন
miss.
আমরা পড়ে ফেলি, বসে না থেকে পড়ে ফেলি। If you read 5 times, then I think you can see till the presentation. If the
Okay.
presentation. আচ্ছা আরিশা বলো। Arisha, no need to on your camera.
Okay, Miss, can I tell the story now?
Yes, you can start.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Now I am going to tell a story. Everyone was heard of King Solomon. The king of the Jews was famous all over the world for his wealth and and especially for his wisdom. The Sheba heard much about the king, so attracted by some reports, she came to test the king. So she bought with her 2 grams of flour, one natural and one artificial, in front of the king. Solomon was puzzled for a time. Well, he saw some bees humming outside for um, for honey in a weathered rose. He asked the windows to be opened. The bees came in and settled on the natural one. Then he solved the riddle of the queen. The queen was surprised and admired the king. That's all, Miss.
It's all about the story. Okay, thank you, Arisha. Now, Samia said, Acha, Zarif, are you writing about
I'm
what
done.
did you do? Done?
I'm done. I'm done with my writing.
Okay, Samia say now.
Okay. Once
Samia,
upon a
please,
time,
no, Samia, on your video. I
sorry,
think
ma'am.
like, your
Actually,
camera is
my
okay.
network is disturbing.
You
My
try to
network
on,
is disturbing.
no, now try to on your camera. নেটওয়ার্ক ঠিক আছে
Okay,
তোমার?
ma'am.
আমার এখান থেকে দেখা যাচ্ছে তোমার নেটওয়ার্ক 100% ওকে। আচ্ছা, তারপর কিন্তু অঙ্কন বলবে, বি রেডি অঙ্কন। আচ্ছা, সামিয়া স্টার্ট। কারণ প্রেজেন্টেশন আমরা মুখ বন্ধ করে চোখ বন্ধ করে প্রেজেন্টেশন নিব না, ওকে? আচ্ছা, দেখো আমাদের ক্লাসের অবস্থা। যেদিন ক্লাস ছিল আমাদের ফুল ভরা ছিল, বাট আজকে প্রেজেন্টেশন কেউ নাই। আচ্ছা, সামিয়া স্টার্ট।
Can I mean?
Yes.
Once upon a time, there was two famous king and queen. Okay, the king name was Suleiman, and he was famous for her wisdom and wealth. The king of Sheba heard much about him, so she decided to take a test of Suleiman. So that's why she bought two type of flour. One is artificial and another is natural. Suleiman has to decide which one is natural. She was puzzled for a time. While pondering some bees, pondering some bees, he noticed. So she asked to open the windows, and bee came and sat on the natural flower. So that's why she solved the riddle, and the queen was amazed by his great wisdom.
That's it. Thank you, Samia.
That's all.
আচ্ছা, anyone left? অঙ্কন বলবো।
Solomon, the king of Jews, was famous all over the world for his wealth and magnificence and for his wisdom. The Queen Sheba was attracted by such reports. She came to test the King Solomon.
অঙ্কন, are you giving the presentation with saying? দেখে বলছি?
No, miss.
Okay, good. Then carry on.
She, she bought two garlands of flower, one natural and the other artificial. The other artificial. She placed then the king to take the natural one. Solomon was puzzled for a time. He noticed, while pondering, humming, some bees, some bees for humming for honey in a withered rose. He asked the window to be opened, and the bees coming and settled on the natural flower, mm, natural flower, natural,
That
and the
that time king understand which one is real garlands.
and the riddle of the queen. The Queen Sheba was surprised, and he went admiring the King Solomon of great wisdom. That's all, Miss.
Okay, thank you, অঙ্কন। ডান, সবার কি ডান হয়েছে? সামিয়া, বিস্কর, ঈশান, only Tahmid you didn't say. Okay. Ashfaq is coming now again. Okay, no problem. Now we'll do this grammar section. কেন জানি ওপেন হচ্ছে না, একটু ওয়েট। Actually, I can't change my slide. Participant can move, see your application. Just wait. আমরা একটু খাতা কলম নিব সবাই। Everyone take your pen and copy. Now, is it okay?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Miss.
So
Yes,
yesterday, last class, we did this one and we also described about this picture. And now we will do this one. Here, right, there was, there wasn't, was there, there were, there weren't, were there. You just fill up this one with these things. কোথায় there was হবে, কোথায় there were হবে, কোথায় নেগেটিভ হবে অথবা কোথায় কোশ্চেন হবে। You read the sentence properly and then fill up this, okay? এবং রিকোয়েস্ট করব সবাই যতটুকু পারি ভিডিওটা অন রাখবো। Zarif, Samia, Ishan on your video, then Bishkor, Ashfaq video on রাখবো।
Miss, I'm sick. I got fever.
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে, okay, Ishan. So try to do this. Like number 1, লেখা আছে I was hungry but dash anything to eat. মানে আমি ক্ষুধার্ত ছিলাম বাট ড্যাশ এনিথিং ইট, মানে কিছু খাবার কিছুই ছিল না, তাহলে কি হবে? দেয়ার ওয়াজন্ট এনিথিং টু ইট। ক্লিয়ার? তাহলে আই ওয়াজ হাংরি বাট দেয়ার ওয়াজন্ট এনিথিং টু ইট। অ্যান্ড দেন নাম্বার 2, ড্যাশ এনি ফোন মেসেজেস ফর মি ইয়েস্টারডে, দিস ইজ দ্য কোয়েশ্চেন। ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, এখানে ওয়্যার দেয়ার এনি ফোন মেসেজেস, কেউ কি বলতে পারবে কেন ওয়্যার হলো? আমরা কেন এখানে ওয়াজ বললাম না?
Miss, because messages.
Yes,
Plural from
Messages,
plural
very
from
good. ES, plural. Were there any phone messages for me yesterday? Good. So now everyone do this 3 to 10. 3 থেকে 10 পর্যন্ত করে ফেলবো। বুঝে বুঝে করবো, হ্যাঁ?
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, I'm all done.
Okay, all of you done?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so
Yes,
number
miss.
3, what did you write? I opened
There
the
was.
envelope, but it was empty, dash nothing in it.
There was.
There was.
There was.
There was
There
nothing
was.
in it. Very good. Now we can check the answer here. There was nothing in it. বুঝে বুঝে আমরা চেক করবো, ঠিক আছে? আর সবার ভিডিও বন্ধ, এরকম ক্লাস আমার কিন্তু ভালো লাগে না, তাহলে আমিও ভিডিও বন্ধ রাখবো। Number 4 here. We stayed at a very nice hotel. Really, dash a swimming pool.
Was there?
Was there.
আচ্ছা,
There.
তাহলে কনভারসেশন ছিল was there a swimming pool, সেখানে একটা সুইমিং পুল ছিল। কেন আমরা was দিলাম? কারণ we stayed, this is also past tense, তাই না? Okay, number 5. Did you buy any eggs? সাউন্ড বন্ধ রাখবো। Did you buy any eggs? No, dash any in the
There
shop.
weren't
There
any
weren't.
eggs.
Weren't.
There weren't.
আচ্ছা, there weren't সবাই লিখেছি নাকি wasn't লিখেছেন?
Were.
Weren't.
And.
Really? আচ্ছা, so here there weren't any in the shop, তার মানে কিছুই ছিল না, কারণ কি any eggs. Clear? Number 6. The wallet was empty, dash any money in it. 6.
There
Not.
wasn't
There
There was.
any money.
wasn't.
There wasn't.
There wasn't. Number 6. There wasn't any money in it. এটা singular হিসেবে ধরবো। The wallet was empty. There wasn't any money in it. And number 7. Dash many people at the meeting. No, very few people are.
Were there
Were there.
many people at the meeting?
আচ্ছা, people তাহলে plural. So were there many people at the meeting? No, very few. This is also conversation. 8 here. We didn't visit the museum. Dash enough time. তাহলে কি বলবো?
There
There
was.
wasn't
There
enough
wasn't.
time.
There
There
wasn't.
wasn't
Correct.
enough time. তাহলে দেখো time, money এগুলো কিন্তু সিঙ্গুলার হিসেবে আমরা ইউজ করব। There wasn't enough time. আচ্ছা, কার পাশে থেকে জানে নয়েজ আসছে। 9. I'm sorry, I'm late. I'm sorry, I'm late. Dash a lot of traffic. তাহলে কি বলবো?
There was.
There was
There
a
There
was
was.
lot
a lot
of
of traffic.
traffic. কারণ আমরা বুঝতেই পারছি I'm sorry, I'm late. তাহলে এখন আমি যদি বলি there wasn't a lot of traffic, তাহলে এই দুইটার সাথে মিলছে না, তাই না? Okay. And then 10. 20 years ago, dash many tourists here. Now there are a lot.
There
There
were.
weren't.
There were
Ah.
many tourists
20
here.
years ago, there weren't many tourists here. Now there are a lot. Clear? এখন বর্তমানে অনেক, কিন্তু 20 বছর আগে এখানে তেমন ছিল না টুরিস্ট। Clear? There was, there weren't, were
Yes.
there. Okay. So now do it this one. Here also write there is, there are, there was, there were, there has been, there have been, there will be. So read the sentence properly, then try to do this. এবং যারা ক্লাস 8-এ আছো এখন কিন্তু পড়াশোনা চেঞ্জ করে ফেলেছে, গ্রামার আছে। কি কি গ্রামার আছে বলো তো ক্লাস 8-এ যারা আছে?
Right from a first cohesive
Yes.
device.
তারপর আর কি
Non-finite
আছে?
verb, non-finite
We have
verb,
Finite and non-finite verbs.
voice
finite and
narration.
non-finite.
Yes.
Time of adverbial.
Adverbial, yes. আচ্ছা, ওকে। সো তাহলে ভার্ব, ওই যে ভার্ব এগ্রিমেন্ট গুলো ভালো করে করবো আমরা।
Tag question.
ট্যাগ কোশ্চেন নাই মনে হয়। আচ্ছা, ট্যাগ কোশ্চেন ছিল, মেবি নট।
No,
Yes,
miss.
ma'am.
No,
ট্যাগ কোশ্চেন দেখিনি আমি। মেটাফরিক ছিল, কবিতা থেকে যে মেটাফরিক যে ওয়ার্ড গুলো সেগুলো ছিল। আচ্ছা, তাহলে এটা করে ফেলবো, হ্যাঁ। Write down the answer, only answer. Okay, done, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Rayana, on your video. Acha. So here, number one already done. There was a good film on TV last night. Can you say why we use here was? কেন আমরা was ব্যবহার করেছি?
লিস্ট লাস্ট নাইট আছে
For because here last night, that's why. Okay, reason টা আমরা বুঝবো। Then number 2, dash 24 hours in a day। কি বলবো?
There is.
There was.
There
There
was.
are
There
24
there
hours
is.
in a day.
There are.
There are 24
There
hours
are.
in a day। তাহলে
Okay.
এটা কোন টেন্স বলো? Which tense? It's present simple।
Present indefinite.
হ্যাঁ, present
Present
indefinite or
tense.
Indefinite.
present simple। Good। তাহলে হবে there are। And then number 3, dash a
There was.
party at the club last Friday। যে last Friday আছে, but I didn't go। তাহলে কি ছিল?
There was.
There
There
was।
was.
এই দেখে আমরা
There
was
was a
দিলাম
party.
কারণ কি last Friday আছে, that's why। There was a party at the club last Friday, but I didn't go। Number 4, where can I buy a newspaper? This is a conversation. Where can I buy a newspaper? একজন বললো এবং answer দিল dash a shop at the end of the street। তাহলে কি
There
বলবো?
is.
There
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 is.
is a
কারণ এটা
shop at
conversation,
the end
এখনই
of.
হচ্ছে। Clear? There is a shop at the end of the street। Number 5, why are those policemen outside the bank? ব্যাংকের বাইরে কেন এই পুলিশ গুলো? dash a robbery। কে কি লিখেছি বলতো?
Has been.
Has been.
আচ্ছা, এটা
There
আমরা
has been.
পারফেক্টও করতে পারি, আবার
Has
ওয়াজও
been.
করতে পারি, তাই না? There was a robbery or there has been a robbery। Clear? আচ্ছা, নাম্বার 6, একটু বলো তো কার থেকে নয়েজ আসতেছে? 6, when, আচ্ছা অঙ্কন সাউন্ড বন্ধ রাখো। When we arrived at the theater, যখন আমরা এই যে arrive past tense আছে, when we arrived at the theater, dash a long queue outside, বাইরে অনেক লম্বা লাইন ছিল। তাহলে কি বলবো? There
There
was
were.
there was a
There
long queue outside।
was a long queue
6, when when you arrive tomorrow, when you arrive tomorrow, there's somebody at the station to meet you।
There was.
যেহেতু tomorrow,
There
তাহলে
will
কি?
be.
There
There
will
will
be
be.
somebody at the
Oh my.
station to meet you। কি হবে? There will be। Okay, it's future। Clear? 8,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
10
miss.
years ago, বুঝাই যাচ্ছে 10 years ago, dash 500 children at the school। তাহলে কি বলবো?
There
There
were
There were.
500 children
500
at the.
children at the school। Now, এখনো more than 1,000। তাহলে কি হবে? There are more than 1,000। Number 9, last week I went back to the town where I was born। It's very different now। এখন অনেক পরিবর্তন হয়েছে। There's a lot of changes। কি বলবো?
There have been.
There had been.
Have been, has been বলবো
There
না,
have been a lot of
changes।
changes.
There have been a lot of changes। অনেক চেঞ্জ হয়েছে, এখনো হচ্ছে। 10, I think everything will be okay। I don't think there's any problems। আমরা
There
এটা
is.
There are.
yes,
There
আমরা
There
there
are.
আরও
any
বলতে পারি
problem.
অথবা এটা ফিউচারও বলতে পারি। There will be any problem। I don't think there will be any problem, মানে আমি মনে করি যে কোনো সমস্যা হবে না। Now all of you read out 1 to 10। একটু লাউডলি পড়বো, হ্যাঁ, জোরে পড়বো। 1 থেকে 10 পর্যন্ত আমরা জোরে পড়বো। Read out loudly। জোরে পড়বো।
There are 24 hours
There
in
was a good
a day.
film on TV last
There
night.
was a party
There were
There
24
was
hours in a
24
day.
hours in a day.
where can I
There
buy
is
There is
a
a
shop
party
party
at
at the
at
the
club
club
the
last
street?
day.
I need
Why
last
But I
are
Friday,
those
but
at
I
the
didn't
bank?
go.
not go.
Where
There
can I buy a
There
newspaper?
has been
There has been.
when I
there has been a
There has
robbery
been.
when we arrived
Why are those
the
policemen
theater. There
outside
was a
the
long
bank?
queue
Had
outside।
been a very
there will
When
different
you
now.
arrive tomorrow, there will be
be
somebody
like 10 years ago, there were 500 million people around
Elected
Earth. Now there are more than 1,000 plastic. I went back the town when I was born. It was very different now.
Last
There
week,
have been
one
a lot of
major town
changes.
was
I
changed.
think everything will be
They
okay.
have
I don't
a lot of
think
changes.
there will
I
be any
think
problem.
every will be okay.
ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। সো আমরা যেটা করব, গ্রামার যতটুকু করেছি আমরা সবটা আবার লিখে ফেলবো। At your house you have to write down all the grammar section in your copy, and again you have to give the presentation about this story। এবং এটাও ছিল মনে হয় সবাই করেছি এটা, 24 to 36। Did you do this? গত ক্লাসে আমরা এটা করেছিলাম তাই না? দেন এটা কি বাসায় করেছি?
Miss, what is it?
What is it? Try to read out and then think it, what is it? এটা করেছিলাম আমরা, মেবি নট, তাই না? আচ্ছা, এটাও ইজি থাকবে, এটা তোমাদের জন্য বাসায় করবো। এখন আমরা যেটা করব, instant I will give a picture and you have to thought about this picture and think about the picture and try to describe what is the difference between two pictures. Is it clear, this picture? Clear দেখা যাচ্ছে পিকচারটা?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is the same place, you know, but the time is different and the situation also the difference. So you think about for 2 minutes and then everyone give your presentation about the picture. Okay. So after giving the presentation, then you can leave one by one. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
আচ্ছা, কারণ আমাদের এখন সবার কিন্তু এক্সাম সামনে, তাই না? শর্ট করে
Yes, Miss.
সো প্রেজেন্টেশনটা আমরা দিব, দিয়ে তারপর আস্তে আস্তে আমরা লিভ নিতে পারি, ঠিক আছে? You can write down the note.
Miss, I will say about the two pictures or only the one picture?
No, you have to talk about both picture. Okay, দুইটা ডিফারেন্সটাও দেখাই দিব।
Okay, Miss.
বিস্কর, আমরা কি গ্রামারটা করেছি? বিস্কর, ডিড ইউ ডু দ্য গ্রামার সেকশন? বিস্কর, গ্রামারটা কি লিখেছি? বিস্কর,
Yes, ma'am.
আচ্ছা, ওখানে কোনো প্রবলেম ছিল?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so think about the picture. Okay, done.
No, miss.
No, miss.
আমরা think করব and as well as if anyone give their presentation, you try to listen to your friends as well. Friend-এর থেকেও আমরা idea নিব, ঠিক আছে? So first I request Arisha. Arisha, give your presentation about these two pictures.
Miss, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
First of
I
all,
just
we can on the first picture we can see a picture of a park. The weather of the park is sunny and shiny. On the pond, a little girl is playing with water, and also a girl is playing with a tiny little boat. Her mother was watching on her. At the bench, there was a man reading a newspaper. Behind the bench, there was a little duck, I guess. At the yard, there are three people having fun because they are picnicking. They are in a picnic and they are picking. In front of them is a little boy is eating an ice cream. Also, the other people, also some of them was playing football. Some of them slide, etc. On the second picture, we can see the same part, but the difference of the both picture is the second picture. The weather of the park was rainy and cloudy day. On the rainy day, the duck was on the pond and very few people on the park. A man was walking to the bench. In his hand there is a newspaper, and the little girl with her mother, they're standing in front of the pond with an umbrella, and there is a little tiny same boat on the girl's hand. And on the yard there was a woman. She was passing by, and also there is a girl with her mother walking away with an umbrella. There was a little water on the yard.
okay. Thank you, Arisha. Thank you. Arisha, try to fix your internet. Okay, একটু ইন্টারনেটটা ঠিক করার চেষ্টা করো। পুরো ক্লাসে কিন্তু তুমি এভাবেই করলে, এবার একটু ইন্টারনেটটা ঠিক করো। বাবাকে বলে একটু টাকা খরচ করতে, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, then I request Ishan.
Okay, miss.
আচ্ছা, আমরা চাইলে আমরা লিভ নিতে পারি, ঠিক আছে আরিশান? নো নিড টু সে মিস ক্যান আই লিভ, ঠিক আছে? সবাইকে বললাম। আর আচ্ছা, ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। আর বাকিদেরকে বলবো এই যে বিস্কর পুরাই মুখ বন্ধ, মনে হচ্ছে যে সে জীবনে মুখ খুলবো না। মানে আমরা কি করব, বলার আগে আমরা একটু নিজেরাই বারবার বলি। তোমার তো ভিডিও বন্ধ, সাউন্ড বন্ধ, তাই না? সো তুমি জোরে বললেও তো আমি শুনতে পারবো না। সো এটা আমরা প্র্যাকটিস করতে থাকবো, সাউন্ডটা বন্ধ করে প্র্যাকটিস করতে থাকবো। ঈশান, সে নাও।
Okay. Hello, everybody. I'm Ishan, and thank you, miss, to presenting these two pictures. There are two pictures one is representing the sunny summer, and the other one is representing the rainy season. On the picture, which is on the top, there is a man who is reading newspaper on the bench. On the other hand, the picture below, there was no people on the bench. Uh, beside the on the first picture, beside the bench, there is a little kid who is eating ice cream, and below him there are a family who are enjoying picnic. Beside them, there is a kid who is running. On the other hand, on the picture below, there are no people who are enjoying picnic, but there are some people who are using umbrella to cover them from the rain. And another difference is there's a girl on the lake who is playing on water, but there's no girl, but there's a duck on the rainy picture. On the picture above, there are some kids who are swing, and a kid who is flying kites. And on the picture below, there are two people who don't have umbrella, and they are walking on the rain. That's all from me.
Thank you, Ishan. Great. Okay. Now,
Now, me.
Okay, Shourabh. Shourabh say after Shourabh, then Tahmid.
Now I'm going to talk about the first picture. There is a small boy who is flying a kite. Beside there is a big man who is playing football. On the other side, there is a man who is sitting on the bench and he is reading a newspaper. Beside there is a family who is enjoying their picnic. Beside there is a small boy who is eating ice cream. Uh, there is a small lake where a girl is playing with water. Uh, in this picture, all men are happy, and this season is summer. Now I'm going to talk about the second picture. Uh, there are many there are many people in this picture. Uh, so there are not so many people in this picture because it is raining. uh, One man is waiting for raining. And in the other hand, there are a daughter mom and daughter who is under under a umbrella. Beside there is a lake. There is no girl or boy who is playing with water. Between between this picture, in the summer season, people are happy, but in the rainy season, people are not happy for raining because they could not do anything during raining water. That's all from me.
Thank you. Shourabh, you try your best, but don't say peoples, okay?
Yes,
Because people is only plural, so no need to add s. Like we don't say children's, don't say peoples, okay? Children সাথে s দিব না, peoples এর সাথে s দিব না. Thank you. তাহমিদ বলবে, then বিস্কর বলবে.
On the first picture, I see a playground beside a lake. On the playground, the children are playing many games on the playground. Beside, on the corner of the playground, there are some people who are enjoying their picnic. And in front of the lake, there is a bench and a man is sitting on the bench with a newspaper. On the lake, a girl is swimming and and enjoying. On the other hand uh, on the other hand, there is a picture of rainy season. There is raining, but the people were unhappy because they were doing nothing on the rainy season. A girl is standing with her mother with an umbrella, and in front of the lake, on the lake, a dog is swimming. That's all.
Thank you, তাহমিদ. ভালো ছিল. বিস্কর বলবো, then হচ্ছে জারিফ.
Thank you, ma'am. We can see two pictures of two different seasons. In the first picture, there is a shiny day of summer season. We can see a lake.
Assalamualaikum.
We can see a girl is playing with the water. We can also see a boat on a lake. You can see a man who is sitting on the bench and reading the newspaper. We can see uh, two people who are playing football. We can see a kid uh, flying a kite. We can also see a family who are enjoying their picnic. In the second picture, we can see a rainy season. We can see the lake. There is a duck in the lake. There are some people who are trying to cover them from the rain. Some are using umbrellas, and some are using raincoats. We can see a person who is holding a newspaper. That's all, ma'am.
Thank you, Bishkar. You said 1 minute, 20 seconds. Good. 1 মিনিট 20 সেকেন্ড কথা বলেছ। আচ্ছা, জারিফ বলবো, দেন সামিয়া।
In this picture, I can see there are two divided pictures. The first picture, I can see it's a very nice, shiny, rainy day. There, the children are playing with very happy. Some children were doing picnic, and two children were playing football. A children was eating an ice cream, and also there are some children, those who are in the swing. And I can see another children. She is enjoying at the pond. A man was sitting at the bench reading a newspaper, and there's a duck, and a children was flying a kite, and another children was playing with her mom. At another picture, there's the rainy day at the same spot, and there are people who are not happy because there's a gloomy season and it's pouring. And I can see two children with their mom. They thought that they will come to play, but due to bad weather, they're not happy, and they're supposed to go home. And there was a duck in the pond, and some people were feeling sad because they can't enjoy the day, and that's all.
Thank you. Zarif, you also same mistake. Some peoples. You said some peoples, not peoples. Okay, you said 1 minute, 1 minute. Sharp 1 minute. আচ্ছা, সামিয়া বলবো। Thank you, Zarif. Samia.
Yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Okay, yes, I can hear you. You can start. Then Hussain বলবো।
On this picture, there are two type of picture. There, one is sunny day and the other is rainy day. So the places are same. So I want to describe the first one, sunny day. Everyone is enjoying, and someone is someone some sorry. There is a family with doing a picnic, and the boy is eating ice cream, and there is a man who is sitting on the bench and read a newspaper. And there on the lake there is a little baby who is who is the splashing the water. And there is a float a float floating in the boat in the a boat there is floating in the river, and some kids are playing football. And the second picture is everyone is not so good mood, and there is a dog. There is in the lake. There is a duck who is swimming in the water, and someone is under the umbrella to cover from the rain, and someone has the man he has no umbrella. He goes somewhere with bad mood. That's all about him.
Thank you. Don't do this. আচ্ছা, thank you, Samia.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। হুসাইন বলবো, দেন অঙ্কন।
Assalamu
Okay,
alaikum,
ma'am.
miss.
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।
First of all, I see the picture. I see the first pictures. A sunny day. A field of many people enjoy the time. Two children playing the football. A family a picnic on the field. Children enjoy the ice cream. Then one gentleman on the chair and read the newspaper. On the children, one children flying the kites. The mother and daughters enjoy this time, and the another pictures rainy days. Mother and daughter in the umbrella. Then opposite sides, same mother and daughters. Mother and daughters. Mother and daughters in the umbrellas. The gentleman was walking beside the chair, and the weather is darkness. The duck swimming in the lake. That's it.
Okay, thank you. হুসেন চেষ্টা করেছো, ভালো ছিল, but same way you said some childrens are enjoying ice cream. You can say there is a boy, he is eating an ice cream. ঠিক আছে, boy, girl. Okay, thank you.
Okay, miss.
জারিফ অলরেডি তোমাকে দিয়েছে, ওয়াও, তাই না জারিফ? আচ্ছা, জারিফ আবার আসছে শুধু হোসাইনের প্রেজেন্টেশন শোনার জন্য।
Yes,
Am I right, জারিফ?
yes,
আচ্ছা, কি মনে হচ্ছে হোসেন কি ইমপ্রুভ করছে?
much better than before.
গুড, বাট আরো বেশি ইমপ্রুভ করতো যদি রেগুলার হতো। আই থিঙ্ক হোসেন মাঝে মাঝে রেগুলার না। এম আই রাইট হোসেন? রেগুলার হব, প্রেজেন্টেশন বেশি করে দিব, মাঝে মাঝে ওই যে জারিফকে স্যার মনে করব, জারিফের কাছে স্যারের কাছে করব, প্রেজেন্টেশনটা দিব, আর জারিফ স্টুডেন্ট হিসেবে তার পড়াটা নিবা, ঠিক আছে? ওকে, আমরা তো যেখানেই থাকি মেসেঞ্জার দিয়ে কথা বলতে পারি, হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ দিয়ে আমরা কন্ট্যাক্ট করতে পারি। ওকে অঙ্কন, গিভ ইউর প্রেজেন্টেশন নাও। থ্যাংক ইউ হোসাইন, থ্যাংক ইউ জারিফ।
Okay, miss. Assalamu
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।
I can see two pictures. First picture is two boys playing a football. In the other picture, two men walk a field. Is rainy day. First picture is summer season and second picture is rainy season. I can see first picture is family spend a picnic, and second picture I can see a woman and children work a rainy day, cover the umbrella. And a first picture I can see a first picture a gentleman read the newspaper on the chair. And I can see a second picture was a beside corner a mother and his daughter is a cover the umbrella for rainy day. At the last picture, a boy enjoy his ice cream. That's all, miss.
থ্যাংক ইউ অঙ্কন, ভালো ছিল মাশাআল্লাহ, গুড। So keep it up and try to watch any videos through YouTube, and every day try to read out 20 times, 20 minutes loudly. Okay, write down something. So daily কিছু কাজ করবো না, তাহলে আমরা ইমপ্রুভ করবো। থ্যাংক ইউ, আল্লাহ হাফেজ, বাই, সি ইউ ইন দ্য নেক্সট ক্লাস ইনশাআল্লাহ।